video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a advanced Radialmenu script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just now scroll down over here. Then click on this TabX link. Now you will redirect to the TabX store. You just need to click over here and get the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file. Go to shared. Then config.lua. From here we can configure Radialmenu script according to your use. Now let's open the items.lua. From here you can configure everything which is in the Radialmenu. So I'll be keeping it default for now. Now before starting up the server, make sure to delete the default Radialmenu script from your server. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's open the Radialmenu which we have installed. So as you can see, this is the Radialmenu's user interface. So let's select the citizen option. So we have these options over here. So this is the option of blib, and let's go to the general settings. Let's open the Radialmenu settings. So this is the Radialmenu settings which is over here. So these are the themes which we can select. So let's turn off the blur option of the Radialmenu. And this is a customization setting over here. Over here you can add anything which you like over the Radialmenu. So I'll be keeping it default for now. And now you can see the blur has been turned off. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.